Tableau Public has been a huge success for us, actually. So we have, as I said earlier, 100,000 authors now in Tableau Public. And the people using it are very, very broad. So some are just data enthusiasts, people that are fascinated in a particular sport or a particular area, and they find data that's relevant and they turn it into visualizations and they drive insight and they publish it. It's widely used by journalists, where using data and visualizations to bring a story to life. One of the things that Tableau Public particularly gives is the ability for people to see what each other do and what best practice or new ways of looking at data is. Tableau is a very rich tool. You can explore data in a myriad of different ways. And so what you'll often see is somebody will go to Tableau Public, find a workbook or a visualization they find particularly interested in, and then they'll download and effectively reverse engineer it to see how it's been put together. That sounds complex, but it's actually not very difficult to do. And so Tableau Public breeds lots of new and innovative thinking about the way data can be visualized. And at Tableau, it's kind of pretty exciting for us, actually, when we go and look at what people have taken our technology and done with it to expose and bring data to life. We get quite a buzz out of that, actually, when you look at it. In terms of improving the UI on a constant basis and understanding how people interact with data, Tableau, there's a couple of areas, really. Tableau invests substantial amounts in R&D. Our R&D investment is very high. Especially amongst our peer groups. And so we are constantly pushing innovation and driving development, and that area of building a beautiful UI that is highly intuitive is always right at the top of the priority list of our development areas. We also seek very expert people, so we hire a lot of PhDs and specialists that can really help us understand some of the ways that the human brain interprets data so that we can provide those capabilities to people so that data makes sense straight away to the eye and the brain. For us, the mission is to help people see and understand data, and that extends in many different ways. So that is about letting people get to more and more and more data sources. And so in every release of the product, we make it easy for people to get to more and more data sources. There's an element which is around providing richer and richer visualization, so building out the richness, but importantly the simplicity of the building of different visualizations so that ordinary people can use data and visualize data in a very, very powerful way. And the third element is, you've touched on it already, but the ability for people to access data and visualize data anywhere. So that's about the mobile strategy and making it available everywhere. So we kind of keep working at those three elements, as well as making sure that we drive scalability in the product and continue to make it fantastic for the enterprise, but simple enough to use for small businesses as well.